Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 3 Neo Safety Pack Sedan, stock reference number 5423. This shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory SP23 mag. Left power door mirror painted black. Both left-hand doors have had previous repairs. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door, previous repair. Right power door mirror painted black. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy SP23 mag. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.